They don't like to get directions and stuff.
Make it a little better.
They like to figure things out.
And then I say we just buy things when good because it's
So, how'd you like your new toy?
I love it.
You know how to put it together?
Oh, that's nice. She wants a new side and it's going now. The one that you was trying to get her.
You know what?
I can tell.
I mean,
Watch how Angel taking his time and looking on it. That will be him next.
That'll be you next day.
Ah! I can't get it.
So, what do you like?
That's one out of how much?
Yeah?
Wrong picture, buddy.
Did you enjoy it, everything? That's it?
He's watching the box here, looking at the direction paper.
Oh.
Figured out where that goes?
Yeah, Rob, you see the direction paper. You open when
Hey,
you
buddy, you missed
No,
a
you
piece.
pull it out and put it aside. That's the first thing you do.
Where?
Oh, wait, Mommy's right. She's just taking
Hey, you missed a piece.
Okay, you was laughing at me with the humidifier. Look at you. Look at you. And you was laughing at me because I'm old. I couldn't get the humidifier together, but look.
Record time.
I took some time too to get mine.
Record time.
So many cracks are here and there. Just check out the cracks here.
Nah, it snaps into place. I hope.
You hope.
It is what you dare. Here, look.
It's a slide, buddy.
I get this.
Take your time, okay?
This one's going on YouTube to see how much hits I get.
Oh, great. Thanks.
Vex Productions trying to put together a toy.
Stick to car audio.
That's in the
Yeah,
description.
stick to car audio. Vex promo, stick to car audio.
Yup.
Jacob
What's
will
that
love that
whiting?
one.
What is that whiting in the ground underneath? Did something break or what?
No, it's a piece of cardboard.
We got the two people.
I'm surprised he put this together so fast on 1050.
Oh man, this thing is heavy.
It probably come
When she
free.
hits you with that, you're getting it good.
Nah, really? That probably come like that. You probably didn't have
She would love that. She likes sliding. Today she was sitting down and any button sliding down.
Come on, guys. Every time it goes over, clap. Clap for the baby. Clap for the baby.
Hold on, I got somebody else.
Yeah, you think one of them alone gonna play?
Should I move before I get cut?
Excuse me, in case you didn't notice, you're all so excited there and somebody's trying to eat.
Come back down.
Say daddy like mine. Stephanie don't go near. Stephanie come. Stephanie don't go near. She's watching you.
Yeah.
That's it?
This is nice how they made it though. It's weighted on one side. So it always lands on the bottom.
Yeah.
So great, when she throws it at me, it'll always hit me on that side.
And that was a Vex production.
Daddy, can we
Toy
finish eating
assembly.
first? Excuse me. Hello. She wants to go.
Uh-oh.
Where?
There.
Eat your num num and then we play with the toy, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
This is your granny.